Greetings everyone and a warm welcome. As we all know today that the world is revolving around technology. From humans to organizations, everyone is dependent on technology as it plays a very significant role in our day-to-day life. Similarly, technology plays a vital role when it comes to procurement since it is a cornerstone of overall value chain and sits right in the middle between engineering, production, supply chain management, and finance in every organization. Companies who can master the art of procurement are benefiting from faster order cycles, time, higher process efficiencies, larger bottom line savings, and lower overall cost. Aim of optimizing procurement means improving margins and competitiveness, which is only possible through a robust procure-to-pay solution. Procure Tiger's Procure-to-Pay suite is your one-stop solution for all your procurement-related needs. This demo will help you understand the importance of adopting a procure-to-pay solution. So we will be showcasing you a simple and easy demo which will encompass of all procure-to-pay modules. This is the demo portal that can be customized according to your brand's look and feel. Let's begin with registration. As you can see on top right hand side of your screen, where a simple click, easy and self-registration facility for suppliers to register themselves on the portal is available. This will help fetch all necessary vendor data and make your own vendor database. So once it has been submitted, you can log in through a single user ID and password. Now we will be logging in through a buyer's end. Our system has all modules on a single platform, as it is visible on left hand side of your screen. There are different tabs with different modules like in-app mailbox, admin tab, vendor PQ, RFX, intent or purchase requisition, auction, contract module, and many more. Initial process begins with purchase requisition, or you can call it as indent 2. Simple to complex purchase requisitions can easily be managed through PR module. Buyers can create a PR with budget estimations, delivery timelines, BOQ, etc. and process it in workflow to get it published by a competent authority. A PR further can be aggregated or segregated in the system. Before the PR is published, you can select the next step of PR, that to be converted to a PO, RFX or an auction. First option post PR is of PO, which involves catalog module, where a set of agreed framework quotations are available from qualified vendors. Post PR is of RFX. Now here, we will be showcasing you an event. As you can see on the screen, there are different tabs named as Live, Pending, Future, Archive, Open, etc. which allows system to bifurcate the event according to their status. Also our system supports advanced search option, which helps in easy search of event with keywords, event ID, reference number, event type, etc. Now we will be seeing an event where buyer has created a tender notice by adding necessary details which contains key information for the suppliers. They can also create dynamic bidding templates for the technical and commercial firm, or directly fetch a template from form library which contains ready-to-use dynamic forms. Also, the system allows team to create simple to complex bidding templates with formulas to eliminate any manual dependency of calculating or cross-checking the calculations. Bid opening and evaluation committee can be set to prevent unbiasedness and better evaluation. Once the quotation is received, multiple bid reports like individual bid report, technical and price comparative, custom reports, lowest bid report, or any custom bid report can be obtained. All their reports can be exported to Excel, Word, PDF, etc. Based on the evaluation, L1 vendor can be awarded with APO and PO. System also facilitates different functionalities like rebid module, question answer module, and corrigendum can be published with necessary amendments to notify the vendor. When we say it is a one-stop solution, we actually mean it. As post-PO, the system helps organizations to manage contract. Contract documents can be drafted, work done can be created, and progress report managed to track the progress of the contract. ProcureTiger solution allows three-way invoice matching and post-which vendor rating, which can help track the vendor performance. Last but not the least, it allows contract termination and a facility for suppliers to request for work completion certificate. Now we will see third option which can be processed post PR, that is auction. Let's see a reverse auction. A tool which provides procurement professionals with competitive prices for their products as a supplier compete directly against each other in real time, ultimately driving down the prices. We offer multiple auction variants which allows buyers to strategize the purchases for the best possible outcome. Similar to RFX, Auction 2 has bifurcation option for events. Here is the auction which contains all the vital information on the auction rules, auction parameters and configurations. As you can see, the auto extension, direct value, auction base, currency, reverse auction prices, etc. details can be configured in the notes. For each of your products or services, you can define start price, decrement value, and also the decrement during the extension. These all data can be in a printable form. Simple to complex bidding forms can be created with the necessary details. You can also monitor the auction, live auction, and fetch multiple reports, bid history reports, login reports, item-wise reports, and lowest bid report. These reports provide data intelligence like percentage saving achieved, savings amount, number of bids and bidders, etc. That is how simple auction can be, but has a greater value as it is a time-tested tool used by the organizations to realize optimum value for the purchases. This is how easy PR and auction events can be floated, reports can be fetched through the system, and post a PO contract can be managed, making your life easy. Till now we saw buyer screen. Now let's move towards a vendor screen. One of the biggest advantages of having a P2P suite is that it allows the vendors to participate and submit its technical and commercial proposals online with some easy steps, thereby eliminating cumbersome tasks for buyers in manually collecting, evaluating, and awarding the contracts. Now let's have a brief view from a vendor's perspective. As seen earlier, vendor can self-register themselves and can be registered by unauthorized users too. Vendors get notification in their mailbox and can easily participate in the event. Similar to buyer's screen, vendors can also see the events in bifurcations like live, archive, cancelled, future, open, etc. Let's see an RFX event. For an RFX event, bidding takes place in 3 simple steps. First, you agree on the terms and conditions levied by the organization. Vendors can also see notice. To view notice, vendors will be able to see the necessary information floated by the buyer. Then they can quickly prepare their bid. As of now, the event is of 2 envelopes, that is, technical bid and commercial bid. Technical bid allows vendors to add in their basic information necessary for evaluation, and dynamic bidding forms fetch information in very simple manner, like drop box, combo box, multiple fillings, etc. By just adding their necessary information, they can also save it as draft, and also once they are done with it, they can save it. Once the technical form is being submitted, documents too can be attached for supporting the technical bid. Third step would be of filling the commercial form. Commercial form can be of n number of line items and columns. By adding this unit rate and tax value, the system will automatically generate the total rate. Because while preparing the commercial form, the buyer has already entered the formulas for calculation of total rate. Then the system will do the needfuls for you. By just submitting and clicking on the final submission link, the system will help you complete your bid and share your receipt of your submission with date and timestamp. Once the results are being declared, APO-PO can also be managed. Similar to RFX, vendor can quote the competitive prices in auction and can compete against each other in real time. They can see necessary information floated by buyer in the notice. Post which, on agreeing to the terms and conditions levied by the organization, they can directly drop down to the bidding hall. Bidding hall will contain necessary information as current date and start time, bidding end date and time, remaining time, number of extensions available, start price, decrement value, L1 bid, their rank, and other details. Once the vendor quotes and once they submit it, the system will confirm their submission and they will be able to see their rank. But as soon as another bidder outbids themselves, the rank will be getting changed. As you can see, this vendor has been outbidded by another vendor. His rank has been changed to 2. But once again, if he wants to win the contract, he will try to outbid it. And if we tried to put any invalid bid, the system will automatically show that it wasn't valid to the levy terms and conditions. The system also shows the next possible bid. Now, as you can see, the rank has again been changed. This is how real-time competition takes place in auction. This helps in real-time competitions and also in awarding the best possible contract to the vendor. This was all about our procure to pay process. Now let's quickly take a glance over the business intelligence dashboard, which provides authorized users a 360-degree view of their spend and intelligence on their procurement. Our smart dashboard gives procurement teams the power to increase profitability, accelerate cash flow, and deliver a level of predictability on the supply side. Configuring unique KPIs and SLAs across a wide variety of direct and indirect spending categories, dashboard helps drive multiple reports which measures spend and calculate saving by department-wise, buyer-wise, and category-wise. System facilitates multiple drill-down generated from summary level to event level, and all these data are available in graphical representations like line chart, pie chart, column chart, and bar chart. All these reports are easily downloadable with just single clicks. That was all about the Procure to Pay solution. For more information about our product and service, you can visit us at www.procuretiger.com or write us at sales@procuretiger.com. We believe in providing our customers best of our service and a solution which can give them peace, profit, and productivity at work. Thank you. Thank you for watching us.